Okay, and here we have the famous neon lights. I think they're not even neon lights, they're just like LEDs. They're LEDs now. Look at that. That's so awesome. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Look at that. Welcome to Osaka. Oh, it's too dark. So yeah, right there, it's so cool. Wow. And look, it's so bright. Like the street, it's so bright from the camera. It's probably like ISO 100 because it's so bright from all the LEDs. So there's the river cruise. Okay, so I think we're gonna walk this way and then walk one block and then come back to this street to show you the Christmas lights right there. Okay, here we go. These are long ass tour, my gosh. Look at that. Wow. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Nope, it's still too dark. Because I want to do like welcome to Osaka, but no, it's too dark. So look at all the people doing they're copying the Running Man, whatever you call it. It's so cool. Oh my gosh.
Smile. 1, 2, 3.
It's like a Akihabara.
The other one. The other one. Vuelve a posar
And look
así
at the
como
cool bridge. Okay, I'm gonna look this way so you can see all the people. Okay, remember, walk on the left. On your left. Okay, see right here? So many people now. Because like it's evening. But compared to when it was at 4 p.m. Isn't that crazy? It's so crazy. I mean, look at that. Wow. It looks so awesome. Oh, actually. That Asahi dry looks really cool. See all the people doing the motion. I mean, copying the guy. And there's a river, and there's Don Donkey with the Ferris wheel. And I just realized I don't have my mics dead. Where is it? Hold on. Okay, finally I got my dead cat on my mic. So yeah, they have all these restaurants. Look at that, it's so cool. And then on the other side, it's even cooler because they have all the lights, the LED signs, billboards. Look at all the people. Oh! Oh, look at that, the crab legs. Oh, yummy. Oh my god, they're huge. They're like king crab legs. Look at that, there's so many people. Isn't this crazy? Okay, and I'm gonna go this way. Okay, and then I'm gonna turn left and then go to the Namba station. And you'll see the cool Namba Square. There's a takoyaki, bikuri takoyaki. And then look at all these ramens, gyumon. Isn't that cool? Okay, and there's right there on the corner, and that on that street, the Yoshinoya where I met Marvin Samako. Hey. Okay, now the colors are different. Can you even see? Like the other side is like it's a different color. Oh, look at the Don Donkey. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. Look at that, the building. They have all those squares or rectangles with lights and with characters in there. Wow. Whoa, see, almost got run over again. It would be funny and tragic if I actually got hit by a bicycle on camera. Look at the kokuru. Ooh, the takoyaki. Look at that. It's so cool. He's got a little takoyaki popsicle. Whoa. Oh, and there's a yakiniku like. So last night I was gonna have dinner there, but the line was so long. I was waiting like 15 minutes, and there were like about 6 people in front of me, not that many people, but the line wasn't moving at all. So I left and went to Yoshinoya. Oh, and then there's this one, like the Namba hips. So I don't know what this is. this like a gambling place? I think it is. I thought it was like a toy store. Yeah, it's a pachinko thing. Okay, my hands are getting cold. I should have worn my gloves. It's so cold. Like, I didn't know it was gonna be this cold. So it's currently 9 degrees. That's in Celsius. Ah, come on. Okay, 9 degrees Celsius, and then it feels like 7. So it's really cold because I'm holding this camera, and my other hand is in my pocket, and the other one's holding a camera. Look at this. Okay, now we're getting to the other side. This is like the Namba station area. Okay, we're moving. Now, that building looks really cool. Look at that. Like right there in the middle. There's Tully's Coffee. Okay, look at that cool building. It looks Japanese, but modern at the same time. Oh, that's a cool display right there. Right there. Look, there's the sweet potato, and it's 200. So what does it say? It's 100 on that side. Okay, time to go. Look at that, it looks so cool. I gotta take a picture. But it's not gonna look as good as a video, I think. Because it's too dark. Look at all the bicycles. Oh, that's really cool. It says Cafe Street Namba. But I don't see any coffee shops. Or is like cafe doesn't necessarily mean like coffee. Okay, so this is Namba Station. See, it says Nankai Namba Station. It looks so cool, oh my gosh. There's Takashimaya. And there's that. And here's like 0101. I think it's called 0101. Oh, but they're closed because it's 8 o'clock. They close at 8 o'clock. Oh, there's Holly's Coffee. And this is where we took pictures. The trees look so cool. My gosh. And then you can just relax here and chill. Oh, look there, it says Mary Namba. And then last Monday night, my dad and I went to this mall, and we went to, see it says Toho Cinemas, so we went to see Gladiator 2. It wasn't IMAX, too bad. I mean, how sad. I mean, it was so sad, because like, it wasn't in IMAX, so we went to see it in this small screen, and it was tiny, my gosh. But the picture quality of the movie, it was so good. It was so sharp, and it was so bright. Okay, there it is, Namba Marui Toho Cinemas. And the cinema is like at the top floor. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go this way. So I'm not gonna go do the tour of the Namba station. Maybe another time, but not tonight, because I still have a lot of stuff to go. I mean, a lot of places to video. So my hostel's like that way, but I'm gonna go this way in the Ebisu-bashi-suji. So I think the Suji is like the shopping, the covered shopping area. I'm not sure. Oh, there's Idon Namba. Oh, that's the mall. Okay, that's the shopping. Okay, that's the department store I wanted to go. Because I remember it has like electronic stuff. So I'm gonna go in here before they close. Oh shit. Okay, they close at 9. So I have an hour. But look at this, it's so cool. Look at that. That looks really nice. Oh, look at that one. Okay, I'm gonna go in here. Oh, look at that. They have all the Nintendo stuff. So yeah, I think this is like the electronics store.